Dear students, in this session, I will explain the simplification of Boolean expression by using De Morgan's theorem. You know the De Morgan's theorems. I had explained in the previous sessions also. So, theorem 1, it states that the complement of product is equals to the sum of the complements. In the equation form, A into B whole complement, that's equals to A complement plus B complement. This equation, that means this is illustrated by the gate equivalency and the truth table as shown in this slide. So, A into B whole complement is equals to the A complement plus B complement. In this table, the third column and the sixth column are equal. So, A plus B whole complement, A into B whole complement is equals to the A complement plus B complement. Next, theorem number 2. It states that the complement of sum is equals to the product of the complements. In the equation form, A plus B whole complement, that's equals to the A complement into B complement. So, this is illustrated by the gate equivalency and also in the truth table as shown in the figure. So, A plus B whole complement is equals to A complement into B complement. By using truth table, the third column and the fourth column are equal. That means A plus B whole complement is equals to the A complement into B complement. Next, for example, simplification of Boolean expression by using De Morgan's theorem. For example first, AB complement plus A complement plus AB whole complement, that's equals to A complement plus B complement plus A complement plus AB whole complement. AB complement equals to A complement plus B complement. So, AB complement is equals to A complement plus B complement. Next, A complement plus B complement plus A complement plus B whole complement. That means A plus A complement B equals to A plus B. Next, A complement plus A complement plus 1 whole complement, because A plus A equals to A. So, A complement plus A complement equals to A complement. So, A complement plus 1 equals complement is equals to A plus A complement plus 1 whole complement. A plus A complement equals to 1. So, 1 complement, that's equals to 0. Second example, A into A plus C whole complement. So, that's equals A complement plus A plus C whole complement. Because, the A into B complement, that's equals to A complement plus B complement. So A complement plus A plus C whole complement. you know, A plus B whole complement, that's equals to A complement into B complement. Therefore, A plus C complement equals A complement into C complement. By taking A complement common in these two equations, so A complement into 1 plus C complement. You know, A plus 1 equals to 1. So, therefore, 1 plus C complement equals to 1. So, that's equals to A complement. Next example, A B complement plus A complement B whole complement into A plus B. So, AB complement into A complement B whole complement. That means AB complement whole complement into A complement B into whole complement into A plus B. You know, the A plus B whole complement equals to A complement into B complement. Next, A complement plus B into A plus B complement into A plus B, because AB complement equals to A complement plus B complement. Next, A complement B into A plus AB plus B complement A plus B complement B. That means by using distributive law. Next, A complement B into A equals to A. You know, A into A equals to A. So, AB plus AB complement plus B complement into B. Next, A complement B into A. I am taking A common in these three equations. So, A into 1 plus B complement, that plus B complement into B. So, 1 plus B complement is equals to 1, because you know A plus 1 equals to 1. So, therefore, A complement B into A into 1 plus B complement into B. A into 1 equals to 1. B complement into B, that's equals to 0. So, therefore, the equation is A complement plus B into A. Next, A into A complement plus AB. You know, the A into A complement equals to 0. So, therefore, that's equals to AB. Thank you.